Hello everyone. I'm going to be showing you a few websites that are part of the assignment for the career assessment reflection today. There are a couple of websites under this personality section. There's a website for interests, and there's a website for values that's related to the values in action assessment we took in class. So I'm going to show you these websites and how you might find more information about your results. The first one is this Ball State University website. They've done some great work on connecting the Myers-Briggs personality types to majors and careers and giving a brief summary of those results. So when you get onto this link, you'll see that there's a type table here that represents all 16 of the different combinations. You can find the one that's your type and click into that. Mine is ENFJ, so I'm going to click there. And it tells me a little bit about that, gives some statistics, some information, characteristics. Then it has majors and careers that are related to that type. So if I expand this list of majors, I can look through this and see if there's any that stand out to me. I can see the major that I had when I was in school. Psychology is there, so that's a good boost that I chose a good major that matched my personality there. There's several others here that are very interesting or things that I would have considered as well. There's also a list of careers that you can look through and see if there's anything that stands out to you there. The other site that we have that uses the Myers-Briggs personality types is called Truity, and similarly it has a type table with all of the types represented, and find your type and click into it. And just read through the information. It has an overview, strengths, careers, and relationships section. I'm going to jump down to the careers section, and it gives you a list of several different careers in different sectors, and you can look through those lists, see if there's anything that interests you. You can click into it for a little more information about those careers. So connecting your results to careers that are a fit is one of the ways to reflect on your results. And this website will give you a description of the type and also some matching careers as well. Shifting gears into the interest section, there's a career interest game hosted by the University of Missouri. Many people visit this site to learn more about the Holland interest codes. And there's a little hexagon here relating to the RIASEC codes. And if you look at the ones that were your top ones, my top area was social. So I'm going to click on the S, and it's going to go into the social section. Again, it's going to have descriptive words. It's going to have potential hobbies, potential careers, and again, potential departments or majors that are related. So if I look at careers, it's going to show that career and its Holland code. And departments or majors related to that as well. BYUI may not have the same exact majors as either Ball State or Missouri, University of Missouri, but you can see things that might be similar to what's offered here as you look into the next part of this assignment, looking at the BYU Idaho catalog. You can also look at your other interest sections. My second one is I, and you can look through the information for investigative as well. This final website, based on values, has a lot of great resources to help you understand your top 5 strengths. One of the great places to look is right here under this character strengths link. Click on all 24 character strengths, and it will bring up a similar type of table where all of the items are listed, and you can click into and learn a little bit more about the ones that came up as your top 5. So leadership was one of my top 5. I'm going to click into that, and it will have some more information to become aware of your strength, learn a little bit more about it, and how you might develop that strength even more. So explore, be curious, learn as much as you can, and reflect on your results and make connections to careers, majors, to how you want to develop yourself and your skills and your talents as you go forward. Hope this little introduction was helpful, and we look forward to seeing the results of your reflection.